In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate auto captions in Premiere Pro. First, make sure your footage is in a sequence. Captions are generated from the audio in an active timeline, not just a clip in the project panel, so drag your video onto the timeline or onto the new item icon to create a matching sequence. Play a few seconds to confirm the dialogue is clear. Cleaner audio leads to better recognition. Also ensure the correct sequence is active in the timeline before moving on. Next, go to Window, then Workspaces, then Text. This switches you to Premiere's text workspace and reveals the text panel, which is where transcription and captions live. If your layout looks different, this command reliably brings up the right tools. In the text panel, switch to the Transcript tab. You may also see a Captions tab, but the Transcript tab is where the speech-to-text process starts. With the sequence active and the Transcript tab open, click the Transcribe button. In some versions, this button is labeled Generate Static Transcript. It opens the same transcription dialog. In the dialog, choose the language that matches your audio. Picking the correct language or dialect is one of the biggest factors in accuracy. If your edit includes multiple voices, enable speaker labeling so Premiere can attempt to distinguish between speakers. You can also specify which audio to analyze. For most edits, using the mix or the primary dialogue track works best. If you've got music or effects on other tracks, directing transcription to your dialogue-only track can reduce stray words. There's an option to set the audio range as well. If you only need part of your timeline, set in and out points. First, and choose to transcribe just that section. Click Transcribe. Premiere will analyze the audio and display progress. On first use, you may be prompted to download a language pack. Let that complete. When it's done, the Transcript tab fills with time-coded lines that align to your sequence. Press play to see words highlight in sync with the audio, which makes it easy to review. If you picked the wrong language or changed the audio significantly, you can run Transcribe again. It's non-destructive. That's the entire workflow. Load your video into a sequence, open the text workspace, switch to the Transcript tab, click Transcribe, choose your language and any needed options like speaker labeling or audio range, and click Transcribe to generate the results. With your transcript ready, you're well positioned to create clean, accessible content quickly.